Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to another session of Madina Arabic Book 1. So in the previous video, we completed exercise number 2 and in today's video, we'll continue with exercise number 3. So let's begin. Bismillah. So over here it is written Imla il-farag fi ma yali bi wadda al-kalimatil munasibat min al-kalimatit taliya. Imla il means fill. Al-farag means the blank. Imla il farag means fill in the blank. Fima means in what. Yalay means follows or that comes next. Biwadai means by placing. Al kalimat means the words. Al munasibat means the suitable. Mina means from. Al kalimat means the words. Atalia means following. Okay. Imla il faraq fi ma yali biwadda al kalimat al munasibat min al kalimat taliya. So what we have to do is we need to fill in the blanks that is given by placing the suitable words from the options given here in the bracket, and we need to place them in the blank that will match and that will suit the words that is given. Okay. So what we will do first is we will translate the options, the words that is given here in the option, so it will become easier for us to pick the suitable one or to pick the correct one. Okay, and place them in the blanks. So first word is jamilun. Jamilun means beautiful. Jamilun means beautiful. Wasiqun means dirty. Okay, wasiqun means dirty. Maftuhun means open. Harun means hot. Saqilun means heavy. And khafifun means light. Okay. So now let's pick the correct word from the option and place them in the blank. The first word is al-hajaru. Al-hajaru means the stone. Okay. Al-hajaru means the stone. The correct word from the option would be heavy, which is saqilun. Okay, saqilun. Al-hajaru saqilun, meaning the stone is heavy. Okay, saqilun. Al-hajaru saqilun, meaning the stone is heavy. Al-hajaru saqilun, meaning the stone is heavy. Next word, al-babu. Al-babu, meaning the door. So the correct word from the option would be maftuhun, meaning open. Okay. Maftuhun meaning open. Al-babu maftuhun means the door is open. Okay. Next word, al-qamaru. Al-qamaru meaning the moon. Al-qamaru means the moon. The correct word from the option would be jamilun, meaning beautiful. Okay. Jamilun means beautiful. Al-qamaru jamilun means the moon is beautiful. Next word, al-waraku means the paper, and the correct answer would be khafifun, means light. Okay. khafifun means light. Okay. Al-waraku khafifun means the paper is light. Next word is al-mindilu. Al-mindilu means the handkerchief. Al-mindilu means the handkerchief, and the answer would be wasiqun means dirty. Okay. Wasiqun means dirty. Al-mindilu wasiqun means the handkerchief is dirty. Last word is al-labanu. Al-labanu means the milk. Okay. Al-labanu means the milk, and the answer would be harun, meaning hot. Al-labanu harun means the milk is hot. Let's revise what we learned today. So what we need to do was we need to fill in the blanks by picking up the suitable word from the options given here, and we need to place them in the blanks that will match the words given. The first word was al-hajaru. Al-hajaru means the stone. Okay, al-hajaru means the stone. Saqilun means heavy. Al-hajaru saqilun means the stone is heavy. Second was al-babu meaning the door. Maftuhun means open. Al-babu maftuhun means the door is open. Next word is al-qamaru meaning the moon. Jamilun means beautiful. Al-qamaru jamilun means the moon is beautiful. Next word is al-waraqu. Al-waraqu means the paper. Khafifun means light. Al-waraqu khafifun means the paper is light. Next word here is al-mindilu. Al-mindilu means handkerchief. Wasiqun means dirty. Al-mindilu wasiqun means the handkerchief is dirty. Last word is al-labanu means the milk. Harun means hot. Al-labanu harun means the milk is hot. So that's it for today's session. In the next video, I'll continue with exercise number 4. So do subscribe to the channel if you have not. Push on the bell notification button so whenever I upload any new video, you will be notified. Until then, Jazakallah khair and Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullah.